Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see how we can connect with MQTT server in Android Studio Java project. So firstly, we have to go ahead and create a new blank project. I'm going to select empty activity, click new. So for that I will use MQTT as the application name. So everything is fine, so I will press finish. So make sure your project is a Java project. If you are seeking any other language, I will come up about that in the future. So the first thing, we have to add the dependency into our project. So I will include some Word file in the description. Also I will include the project file after finishing this video. You have to copy this dependency code and then in your Gradle scripts open your build.gradle file. Here in the dependencies section you have to add this implementation code, and it will use the PaHo client MQTT library here. So we can click sync now. And the next step is create a new class called MqttHandler. You have to download this file from the description. Right click your project, click new, and then here we have to select Java class and then enter your class name as MqttHandler. Press enter. Okay, now here we are going to copy everything, this class, and then replace here. Okay, I hope everything is fine now. So open your main activity, and then here we have something to do. So firstly we are going to define our URL, private static final string broker underscore URL equals to, so here I am going to say TCP : / and then your broker URL here colon, and then we can say this is some sample one. Okay, you can use your one, and after that we can use the client ID private static final string client underscore ID is equals to your client ID. Okay, now we have to create a object with this MqttHandler class. Let me show you this class. So here I'm going to create the object. I will say private MqttHandler. You have to import that here, this one. Actually it is already available, that's because we are accessing this file in the current package. So MqttHandler as the variable name for that object. So in this onCreate method I'm going to say MqttHandler is equals to new MqttHandler and parentheses. Now after that I will say MqttHandler dot connect. Here we have to pass in the broker URL and also the client ID, this one. Okay, now we can use on destroy method to understand whether your application is destroyed. So we can say before this super.onCreate MqttHandler dot disconnect. Now also I'm going to create a method called public. Now this will be a private void publish message. So when you have a button click or something, you can call to this method. You know, we can if you have a button, so you can say button dot set on click listener, and inside that we can call to a method or do whatever we want. So we have to call to this method, and then inside this we are going to parameterize this function. So I will say string, this will request a topic, string topic, and also message, string message, and then we can say some toast message to ensure that message is publishing. So I can say publishing message colon, so plus, that means we are going to concatenate the message here. Okay, now after that we can say MQTT. Actually you don't have to do this, but you are going to do this because to understand whether this is happening, what's happening here. So we can say MqttHandler dot publish the topic and the message. Okay, now we are going to create the method for subscribe to the topic. We can say private void subscribe to topic. Here this will be parameterized with the topic. It will request the argument topic. So here we can say toast message. So we can say subscribing to topic. So we are going to concatenate topic here, and finally MqttHandler dot subscribe, and we have to pass in the topic. Okay, now everything is fine. All you had to do, use these methods to do whatever you want. So we can run this to ensure whether application is working without any crash. So currently I don't have any broker URL. Let's say I'm using some example one here. So that's I am going to change this compile SDK as 33 and also the target SDK as 33. So you can use your latest version here if you are watching this video in the future. So we can run again. Here what I have done is go to this build.gradle and go to the top, and then change this compile SDK to the latest version and also the target SDK to the latest version. So here our application is working without any crashes. So what I will do, just call to this publish message. I don't know what I'm do here, just do that. All we need, everything should be works without any crashes. I hope this video helps. If this video helps, please subscribe. Okay, no crashes. I will include this project in the description, and you can refer this code, and also you have to download this MQTT handler. Thank you.